Look at that beautiful sunset. Feliz Navidad. Hey guys, so from the last video, as you can see, Reg is doing a lot of work on the boat. Today he's not feeling very well, so he's just relaxing today. I had to get off the boat because I haven't been off the boat for maybe a couple days now, and I'm just been doing my school stuff, and I needed a break from all that, so I decided that I'm just gonna walk over to the supermarket. There's a big supermarket. It's like a supermarket mall, so I'm gonna walk over there and get myself ice cream and get some grocery and all that good stuff. So that's what I'm doing today, and yeah. Walking in this beautiful park. This is not even the nicest part of the park, but this park is just really nice and well kept. I really like it here. A lot of local people come here just to just chill and have picnic and just relax, because it's a very nice place, and there's a beach, and that's where you can oversee the boats and all that. Guys, it's gonna be my birthday. Today's what, the 6th and 8th, 9th and 11th. In 5 days it's gonna be my birthday, so I'm really happy. Christmas is coming, but I don't know, for me Christmas should be spent with family, and Reg and I, yeah, we love each other and we spend time with each other all year round, and that's the one thing that we miss about being on the boat, that we can't always spend Christmas with family. We did the last 2 years, but this year I don't think it's gonna be possible, so we're just gonna have to make do this year. But yeah, that's why I don't really like to celebrate Christmas on the boat too much. If you can't spend with family, it's like because it's just gonna be Reg and I alone. So guys, someone else bought us a coffee. This person is BJ, so thank you BJ for buying us 4 coffee. I can't believe you bought us 4 coffee. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy watching our videos, and I hope you continue watching the videos, and thank you again so much BJ for buying us a coffee. And anyone else that want to buy us a coffee, you know that the description is in it's in the link in our description box below. Sorry, it's in our description box below if you want to buy us a coffee. Yeah. Now on the main road. But it's really nice because you have this little thing that you can walk. It's a nice sidewalk. I'm going to show you guys. Turn the camera around. So this is how it looks. Yeah, so we walk on a nice sidewalk. Not all countries have nice sidewalks, so you have to appreciate when they have nice sidewalks you can walk on and the car won't hit you. So yeah. The supermarket is not very far from here. I'm almost there. I kinda can see it from here. It's not far. So it's a nice little walk. It's not even a long walk. I don't think you get a lot of exercise just walking to the supermarket. You're gonna have to do a lot more exercise than that if you want to get some exercise. These dogs are just being mean to me. Look at the dog. He stopped barking now. I don't know, maybe because of the camera. He stopped barking. The dogs, they were barking at me so much, and as soon as I turned on the camera back again and put it on them, they stopped barking at me. It's like I have no proof. It's the supermarket over there. So we are here at the supermarket. Gotta walk through here, and there's Carrefour. Yeah, I bet you guys see the supermarket in my video a couple times now, because this is a supermarket I would come to most of the time. Yeah, I hope I have my mask. Yep, mask. So this is it. So the mask is on. The lighting is not very good, but I have my on. So I don't know if I'm gonna video inside, because I don't really like to video people, and they don't like when you video inside the supermarket, so we'll see. I'm getting some. This is like chocolate with rum in it. Not rum, more like a liqueur. Fanta, whatever. And some this. And Monchetti. There's like the alcohol in the chocolate. Chocolate? Yeah, I don't want to be the water. Just a chill and drink. So Reg and I are at the sandbar. We decided to come out and chill, than to just stay on the boat and bed. Was it a good idea? Babe, you wanted to be in something, huh? You couldn't balance us and go on the team on the other side.
No, I'm just staring at nothing.
What are you doing? You're Tahitian, huh?
This is the Tahitian way of doing whatever.
Today is a very windy day. We're on our way to the hospital to get our third dose of coronavirus vaccine shot. We don't know if the hospital is open, but hopefully it is. So we can get it today, and then we want to go to the airport Anchorage. So Reg can do some kite surfing. We'll see how it goes. That's Reggie. Baby, say hello.
Hello to who?
Just say hello.
Hello to who?
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. He said hello to who? Reg think you have some lens. Haha. I'm gonna cut it. Can't be longer than mine. Huh? Oh, yeah. Could have done that. You want to go back? So noisy. So I'm not sure whether to take the vaccine shot, but I have to. So we found the COVID clinic. So now we're gonna go and take our third dose. Are you ready for the third dose?
We're gonna find out if we can.
Yeah, we can get our third dose of COVID shot.
Let's go.
We're getting in the third dose of COVID-19 vaccine shot.
Oui, c'est pareil que le premier et le deuxième.
You didn't even feel anything.
Voilà, c'est ça.
Is it the Pfizer again? Is it the Pfizer?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. I don't know why. Well, now it's turning. Sorry,
Oh.
buddy.
Voilà.
I took my shot with Reg in the video. So Reg and I got our third dose of Pfizer shot, so we are protected. We can still get the COVID, but we are protected. We're more likely not to die from the COVID, so we are happy. Third dose.